Hello everybody! How are you today? Muraho mwese? Amakuru yanyu y'uyu munsi? I hope you are fine. Nizere ko mumeze neza. Once again, this is your English teacher, Jean de Dieu from Rwanda. Nanone muri kumwe na mwarimu wanyu Uwingabiye Jean de Dieu guturuka mu gihugu cy'u Rwanda. 10 phrases to say how someone is. Interuro 10. 10 phrases you can use to ask how someone is. Number 1. How are you? Amakuru cyangwa umeze ute? How ya doing? How ya doing? Iyo ikoreshwa n'abanyamerika bisobanuye ngo umeze ute cyangwa se umerewe ute cyangwa amakuru. How ya doing? How ya doing? Ntabwo mvuze doing. Iyo nge bavuga how ya doing? Amakuru yawe. Number 3. How's it going? How is it going? Bimeze bite? Ndibuze kubabwira n'uburyo bwo gusubiza. How is it going? Bimeze bite? Number 4. Iya kane. How is life? How is life? Ni ukuvuga ngo ubuzima bumeze gute? Naho iya gatanu, iyo udaherukana n'umuntu uravuga ngo how have you been? Amakuru y'iminsi. Umuntu wabimenyera avuga how have you been? How have you been? Amakuru y'iminsi. Iya gatandatu urabaza uti Iya gatandatu iravuga iti what's up? Aba twiganye ubushize iryo jambo muribuka ko narikoresheje. What's up? Ni ukuvuga ngo ni makuru kimashya ufite. Hari abantu bajya babaza iryo jambo what's up nkaho ari how are you? Oya, what's up nibyo irabaza amakuru ariko ntuzasubiza kimwe nuko usubiza umuntu wakubajije ngo how are you? Niba umuntu akubajije ngo how are you urasubiza ngo fine. Umuntu akubajije ngo amakuru ki? Uramusubiza ngo ni meza. Fine. Good. Great. Ibi byose ni ukuvuga ngo ni byiza cyangwa ni meza. Ariko hano turavuga ngo what's up? Nukubaza nibiki bijya mbere? What's up means what's going on. What's up iravuga ngo niki kijya mbere? Uri mu biki? Ni kimwe ngo what are you doing? Ikindi gisa nacyo number 8 ni what's new. New bisobanuye ikintu gishya. Ubwo rero what's new nukubaza ngo ni makuru ki mashya ufite. Uzagusubiza azayavuga ayorondore. That person who asks you what's up, you have to respond by saying what's going on. Uriya muntu nakubaza ngo what's up cyangwa what's new uzamusubize ibijya mbere. What's going on? Iya 9 ni ukubaza ku muryango. How's your family? Ni ukubaza ngo amakuru mu rugo baraho. How is your family? How is your family? Amakuru yo mu rugo. Niba ari meza uzavuga they are fine. Iya nyuma ariyo ya 10 iravuga ngo what have you been up to lately? Kansubiremo. What have you been up lately? Mbivuze nihuta noneho bisobanuye ngo umaze iminsi uhugiye mu biki? Ijambo ku ijambo. What have you been up to lately? Ni ukuvuga ngo umaze iminsi uhugiye mu biki? Utaracitswe n'amasomo y'ubushize iri jambo yararimenye. ariko niba ari ubwa mbere ugeze kuri iyi cano bisobanuye ngo umaze iminsi uhugiye mu biki. We are going to study how to respond to someone who asks how are you or how someone is. Uyu munsi tugiye kurebera hamwe uko wasubiza wa muntu ukubajije uko umeze. Number 1, niba akubajije ngo how are you, uramusubiza uti I'm fine. Abize ubushize murabyibuka. I'm fine ni ugusubiza ngo meze neza. Nawe ashatse yahita kubaza ngo how about you. Hari n'abasubiza ngo I'm pretty well. Meze neza cyane. Number 3, I'm very well. I'm very well. Meze neza cyane. Turasubiza uti good. That's number 4. Cyangwa great. Number 5. Cyangwa umuntu wakubajije ati how have you been. Ushatse wamusubiza ngo not bad. Not bad ni ukuvuga ngo si bibi. Hari n'abashyiramo irindi jambo hagati bivuga ngo not too bad. Iyo too andikwa na o ebyiri bisobanuye cyane. Iyo umuntu avuze ngo not too bad abavuze ngo si bibi cyane. Number 8, umuntu wakoje ngo what's up. Ushatse uramusubiza ngo not much. Wa muntu wakoje ngo what's up hejuru wakubaje mu isomo ry'ubushize ngo what's up, uramusubiza ngo yabakubaje ngo nibiki bijya mbere, nibiki uratangaza iki, ugahita usubiza ngo not much. Nta byinshi ntangaza, ariko iyo bihari urabivuga. Nk'urugero ashobora kuza hano what's up, nkahita mubwira nti I'm teaching English on my YouTube channel. Ndimo ndigishiriza ururimi rw'icyongereza kuri YouTube. Number 9, na wa muntu wakubaje ngo what's new. What's new igisubizo ni kimwe n'icyo wundi wavuze ngo what's up, wamusubiza igisubizo cyacu uravuga ngo nothing much. Nta byinshi ntangaza. Icyanyuma aricyo cya 10, umuntu wakubaje ngo what have you been up to lately. Ni biki umazemo iminsi. What have you been up to lately. Lately bisobanuye ngo mu minsi mike ishize. Umaze iminsi uhugiye mu biki. Wishatse kuvuga ibintu umaze iminsi uhugiyemo, niba ari akazi kenshi bavuga ngo I've been busy. But otherwise everything is great. Maze iminsi mu kazi kenshi. Ijambo maze iminsi ni I've been busy. Wongeraho icyo kintu maze iminsi. I've been ni impine ya I have ukahina I've. Ushyira apostrophe agakato hejuru ugashyiraho v nyuma ugasoma ngo I've been busy. Maze iminsi mu kazi kenshi. But otherwise everything is great. Ariko bitari ibyo ibintu byose biri kugenda neza. Ushobora no gusubiza ngo couldn't be better. Couldn't ni ijambo ry'impakanyi riva kuri could. Could ni ukuvuga gushobora ni kimwe na can, ariko could ikaba irimo ikinyabupfura cyinshi cyangwa se imyifatire myiza. Rero iyo tuvuze ngo couldn't be better ntabwo tuba duhakana, ahubwo urebye biraho ntabwo ari bibi. Ni kimwe n'irya jambo rivuga ngo not too bad. Couldn't be better no kuvuga ngo okay ni sawa. Noneho ushatse noneho kuvuga couldn't be better wakoresha mu buryo bwa could be better. Urumva kimwe kiri cyiza ni couldn't be better. Couldn't be better ni ngo ni byiza, nta kibazo kirimo. noneho could be better ni sawa mu rugero biraho ngaho mu rugero. Noneho wa muntu wakwashije ngo what have you been up to lately, uramusubiza ngo same as always. Ni bya bindi by'igihe cyose, same as always. Wa wundi wakwashije ngo how have you been, uramusubiza ngo not so great. Not so great ngo ntabwo ari neza cyane. Ariko nanone rero wa muntu wakwashije ngo how have you been, cyangwa wakwashije ngo how is it going, how is it going, uramusubiza uti pretty well, pretty good, ni byiza. Cyangwa ukamusubiza uti great, cyangwa ukamusubiza uti can't complain. Can't complain ngo nta kwivovota, sinshobora kwivovota, mbega nubwo hari ikibazo ariko I can't complain. Ubundi umuntu nakubwira ngo can't complain haba harimo akabazo gakeya ariko ntago bikabije cyane. I'm going to teach you 10 phrases to say thank you. Ye kubigisha uburyo 10 cyangwa interuro 10 wakoresha ushimira. Number 1, thank you. Iya mbere murakoze. Number 2, iya kabiri thank you so much, murakoze cyane. Iya gatatu number 3, thanks a lot, thanks a lot, murakoze cyane. Iya kane thanks a million, murakoze inshuro miliyoni. Number 5, I'm really grateful, nukuri ndagushimiye. Number 6, I really appreciate it, mu byukuri ndabigushimiye cyangwa ndabyishimiye. Number 7, that's so kind of you, nukuri ungiriye neza cyane. Number 8, I can't thank you enough, sinagushimira bihagije. Number 9, I owe you one. I owe you one bishatse kuvuga ngo mu byukuri nanjye ikintu nifuza cyangwa ikintu numva nkeneye nuko nzakwitura iyi neza ungiriye mu gihe kizaza. Umuntu nakugirira neza ushaka kumushimira ukamubwira ngo I owe you one, nukuri nanjye nzakwitura ineza ungiriye. Number 10, iya 10, thanks for your help, urakoze kubw'ubufasha bwawe. Or thanks for helping me, urakoze kumfasha. I'm going to teach you 10 phrases to respond to thank you. Uyu munsi ngiye kubigisha uburyo 10 cyangwa interuro 10 wasubiza umuntu wakubwiye ngo thank you. Number 1, iya mbere you're welcome, ni nko kumubwira ngo nawe urakoze. Number 2, don't mention it, wibivuga. Number 3, no problem, nta kibazo. Number 4, no worries, nta mpungenge. Number 5, my pleasure, biranejeje. Number 6, anytime, n'ikindi gihe. Number 7, it was the least I could do, nta kantu gatoya nabashije gukora. Number 8, glad to help, biranejeje kugufasha. Number 9, sure, nibyo. Number 10, thank you. Iyo umuntu yakubwiye thank you nawe ugasubiza thank you, nuko nawe haba hari icyo umushimiye. That was your English teacher Jean de Dieu Wingabiye teaching you. Dusoreje hano. Thanks for watching. Mwakoze kudukurikira. Don't forget to hit the button subscribe. Ntibagirwe gukubita kuri ya buto yanditseho subscribe, ya magambo y'umutuku ari hepfo. Unasangize inshuti zawe. See you.